Two of the most popular video editing softwares on the market today are Adobe's Premiere Pro and Apple's Final Cut Pro 10. The question is, which software do some of the biggest YouTubers use to edit their videos? I dug into 21 different YouTube channels that had over 1 million subscribers to see which video editing software they use. Depending on what side of the fence you're on, the results might not surprise you. So with that said, let's bring up the scoreboard and see which software comes out on top. Casey Neistat uses Final Cut Pro. Zach from Jerry Rig Everything uses Premiere Pro. What's Inside uses Final Cut Pro. Theo Joe uses Premiere Pro. Marquez from MKBHD uses Final Cut Pro. Linus Tech Tips uses Premiere Pro. iJustine, surprise surprise, uses Final Cut Pro. Jake Paul uses Premiere Pro, and his brother Logan Paul also uses Premiere Pro. Austin Evans edits in Final Cut Pro. H3H3 Productions is edited in Premiere Pro. PewDiePie edits in Premiere Pro. Dude Perfect edits in Final Cut Pro. Smosh edits in Premiere Pro. Devin Supertramp edits in Premiere Pro. Philip DeFranco, Premiere Pro. The Game Theorists edit in Premiere Pro. Jonathan Morrison edits in Final Cut Pro. Unbox Therapy edits in Final Cut Pro. Sean Duras edits in Premiere Pro. And last but not least, Rhett and Link, those videos are edited in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, Adobe's Premiere Pro is pretty darn popular among YouTubers, and I think one reason that contributes to that is the fact that Premiere Pro works on both PC as well as Mac, whereas Final Cut Pro is exclusive to Mac OS. So my question to you is, what video editing software do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know if I said anything in this video that was inaccurate. I would really appreciate that. I would also appreciate it if you would just gently tap that like button down below if you enjoyed the video, and of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that as well. I try to have a new video out every Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern. Until next time, my name is Brandon Hassler, and this is Tech Audit TV.